All right, guys. So we're back. I noticed there's a bit of a delay in terms of the stream when I hopped on the Zoom. I guess it paused it, so I'll make sure that doesn't happen again. Um, but yeah, right now we're up 32 pips on GU. Partials taken at 20. Stop loss at break even, so it's now a risk-free trade. We've officially covered the losses of 15 pips that were lost so far this week within two trades. Um, so yeah, right now no TP set, just being because we made a lower high here, well, higher low in terms of structure, which we could expect to continue buying up to make a new high. That is as long as dollar continues on its way down, which it should. So guys, now we just chill. Yeah, after we're back. Sorry about the black screen. I didn't realize, but thank you for telling me because I would have been really upset to edit this and see that we were still at a black screen the whole time. So yeah, looking at the 5 minute, we're approaching that area where I'm really expecting the true London play to happen. Could be wrong. We could continue to push up just with the way H4 really is, and with structure, we could have just really sniped the higher low here. But see what it does there. Definitely a place to monitor. This right here. Catching GJ for a short. Oh, you were watching GJ for a short. Yeah, man. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I was definitely approaching the market short until I saw. Um, I mean, this is for GU's case, but I was approaching the market short. Just based off H1 structure and how we were climbing down. And you can see like, yeah, we really just made a higher low, and I don't know if GJ was like that for the same way, but Really, we did that. Yeah, really, I'm not expecting a great, like, I wouldn't expect it to go short at least until it hits up here. That just makes the most sense. Um, if anything, they're just really handing out another entry for the pullback. So I could see it coming back to the 70. This one's canceled. You know, if we get stopped out break even, I'm not really mad. We took 80% of our position here at 20 pips, which covered the pips that were lost for the week. So let's look at AU and EA. Yeah, AU definitely a lot more choppier. Really no opportunities there unless you were to catch it in New York. Beautiful inverse head and shoulders here for AU. EA still tanking. Nothing really coming out of it. It's very cold. Mm, Hop in the Zoom again.
Yeah, bro.
Um,
Catch me a good old.
Feeling like that. It was one day and I thought I had to play like that. It was GU matter of fact, and I sold it because it was a double top on the Ace Froze. So I was like, man, shit, you hold this shit. That shit went up about 200 pips, and it's like 3 days. That shit reversed all the way back on me. I ended with like 5 pips. I was sick.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Bro. Like, what happened to Josh?
Now I'm back. I guess what happened because I'm streaming.
Man, let's see you stream. Shit, you stream. Let's
You want to see my screen?
yeah, you want to stream?
I mean, nah, they're just hearing you. But yeah, I guess why not? You gotta enable it, player.
All right, let me see.
So
Josh, you have a big screen too?
yeah,
I want to go order me one. I'm not order. I'm for Best
you
Buy.
you gonna get one?
Best Buy didn't have it. I know you told me to go to them other websites.
Yeah, like Samsung
Samsung.
or eBay.
I don't fool with eBay too much.
Yeah, people don't
eBay.
trust eBay, but I don't know.
They give you janky vibes, like
Yeah,
janky
yeah.
vibe.
eBay never really did me
Yeah,
dirty.
that ain't my style, Back in the day when I was, younger, I fooled with it, but now that I don't fool with it too much. I do Amazon, before I do. Uh,
They sold my brother some shoes, and the shoes fell apart when he tried to walk in them.
yeah, they ain't they ain't about you know.
I mean, you gotta like check to see like the legitimacy of the person. You know what I mean? Like that's the first thing I do is check the reviews.
You
Man, I got out of GU.
me too. I feel stupid as hell.
Y'all got out?
Well, I guess that's why you can't. I was looking at that 1 minute and it's like going away to the top and
Oh, that's
look
why
like
you don't
it.
get dirty. That's exactly why.
You see this red
But
thing I drew?
I only did that because I pulled it off of field, and so the field play, a lot of times, sometimes I be at the end of the training and I don't know, and if I'm looking at the 15, I can't tell. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I was looking at the 1 minute, but it's all good.
Yeah, nah, the red box I have up, um, you know,
When
that's
you
the
break
gap.
that, you trying to symmetrical swing it, motherfucker.
Oh, if it breaks that, bro, we're making new highs. I think either
Damn, I should took 90% and just let it run just to see the amount of pips I could catch.
either new highs or we top out here. You know what I mean? Because we're already divergent.
Bro, this shit,
Mm-hmm.
that's the banger. Ours gonna be like, if you didn't want to set a video, watch that motherfucker. On the 5 and get it set up.
Yeah, I think if it clears that red box I drew, we officially like cleared the lower highs, so that start should be broken on H1.
See, on the 1 minute, remember I said it was throwing the weights and it went down. All it did was set up for another field, for another entry. Instead of me getting out, I should have known that was just another field.
On the 1 minute.
Yeah, like I was telling Moses, he don't know how to do fields, and I was just trying to teach him that you throw a field up, it hit the 62 field, yeah, and
Yeah,
guess what, straight up.
clean.
Instead of, but I wound up getting out because I started seeing, the little, and that's why managing on the 1 minute not good because,
Oh no.
you start seeing that drawback or whatever. But see, I got in the field underneath it, so I was kind of late to the game, so I just didn't know like if I was at the end of the trend or what, and I wanted to secure some profit, so I thought it was cool.
Hey, ain't nothing wrong with that, but yeah, nah, the minute definitely gave like two more entries.
Mhm.
Yeah, it gave
Yeah,
two more
yeah.
entries.
That's why I use the mini for entries for sure. I mean, like if I miss a sniper entry, I know the woman gonna give you some pullbacks to get in.
Yeah.
You might not. I don't even think the 5 minute gave no pullbacks to get in, like talk about, and the 15 minute definitely didn't.
Oh no, the 5 minute just ran.
Yeah, so you see, you have to go to the women to get your pullbacks. And damn you won't survive. Just look at this.
Hey, what's up, guys? All new people on the stream. Yeah, as you can see, we're in a GU buy here. 41 pips currently. Took partials at 20 to just secure and cover for the 15 pips that were lost this week so far. So now we're up positive 5 pips. Um, you know, just gonna see what happens here. Like I said, I know I keep repeating it, but H4 structure, we pretty much sniped a higher low here. So we could be making new highs. Um, or topping out to make that double top. H1 W right at a price imbalance here. Pretty much a zone, and yeah, entry was on the minute chart. We broke structure, this black line, and we got a fib. So that was how I caught the entry for GU. No TP set. We're just gonna let it go. See what happens. Stop loss at break even, so it's pretty much up for the week, really. I mean, if it wants to come get me, it's gonna have a long way to come get me, and I'm completely fine with that. Oh man, it feels good to like you go the whole week, nothing. It's sluggish, and then you just get Thursday, Friday. GU just like throws the layup.
I mean, in perfect you, that nice little double bottom.
Yeah.
Hey,
Oh, for real, that.
I be so tired, y'all. That's what young is a beast.
I didn't even go to
H.
sleep.
I don't be wanting to get up. Like that's why I'm not good to go to sleep because it's hard to get up.
Yeah, depending on what time you go to sleep.
Shoot, Josh, you may not believe this, but I do not hear my alarm. My brother say, Cherish, I settle down and watch you. I have four alarms set to get up 1:30, 1:35, 1:40, 1:45. I do not hear them. He say I had to cut your alarms off because they was just going off and you wasn't budging.
Man,
So,
yeah, I like last night. Like I put my phone on the floor if like I really
I
have to.
know you say that.
Yeah, and
Yeah, that don't
well,
work for me.
yeah, well, last night I guess I got up to turn it off and just not. I guess I must have sleepwalked and then just went back to sleep. I woke up at like
You
what?
have an iPhone?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, but they'll cut off after a certain amount of time and then just start like snoozing.
Oh no, but I knew I grabbed the phone because when I woke up, I was looking
Oh,
for my
okay.
phone and
Oh,
it
okay.
was like in my bed. So
Gotcha.
I was like, when did this happen? But yeah,
I think that's why my brother was like, you have to get you an old school alarm clock. Cause this iPhone stuff, it ain't working. I do not get it.
Yeah. So, Niels,
And lately, if a good play happens, it's been happening early.
yeah, no, that's facts. Yeah. That's the one thing that's been bugging me this whole week is either really early or really late.
Hmm.
But yeah, when do I close the GU position? Not really gonna plan on closing it until I see something that tells me it's
Damn,
ready to be
devastating
closed.
GU.
Really, just looking at the higher time frame,
Moses,
there's
what
no
made you get
reason
out?
whatsoever.
You was in
Um,
Just
we
just doing
cleared
shit. Yeah.
there.
Yeah,
this
just doing
high.
Oh
shit.
look, I
We're
got
on the
out because I
way
was on a field play from
to
I
clear
wanted
this
to
I
high
secure
ain't really
something, but you
mad behind
here.
that shit now. Like,
but you didn't have a
Um,
reason to get
so
not
yeah, like I
mine.
said, just looking at H4, structure's still stepping up.
Man, come
You know what I mean?
on.
And
It's okay. Send me some other
partials were already
plays.
taken at 20 pips, so the position's already
Man,
covered.
first.
Pips
Let me
were
see.
regained
First.
from the week.
Let me see.
So yeah, just swinging it
First.
for fun.
Tips off it. GU up
That's what you have to do
about
sometimes.
50.
You know,
But I guess you can't be like that. Also,
leave
you can't
something
be
on the table and
like it is
make a
what it
little more
is.
if you
Like
can. If
next
not,
time,
I
and like
mean,
it's not gonna do that
you're
again
gonna
because
lose
they do
nothing.
be doing that. Them sporadic plays like that.
I'll leave a running next time. That's what you should have done, but that's okay.
Yeah. And the crazy is, I had two interests. Like,
Hey, if you want your money, take the money all day.
Yeah, bro, you had 2 entries. Come on, man.
Take the money. You don't know what's gonna happen if you don't.
At least if you close the one and the others that break even, like you don't lose. You know.
yeah, this what I be talking about with gold. When gold do the shit it's doing right now, that's why I don't really just want to focus on it. Cause if I see that shit, bro, like every 2 days or 2 days out the week, I'll probably be upset. Really not
Saying
going.
GU. I am. Oh my God.
You going to the moon, huh?
Yeah, so we had some pretty big news day.
Lord.
Really
Oh,
every Thursday.
flooded.
For US
And
and
you
New
know
York, it's
what?
gonna be
Any other
heavy.
day I stay in. We
Building
risking all kind of
permits,
profit.
the more the better, essentially. And you can tell for all you guys who don't know how to read news, I use my FX book, but you pretty much just look at the last sentence. The growing number of permits, more positive. You see it's less. We look at building permits change. You don't really know that's in the
God
air.
bless you, mama.
Initial jobless claims, that's a big one. If it's positive, it's bullish for the US dollar. Decreasing, decreasing should be taken as positive or bullish. So yeah, jobless claims are said to be, positive for dollar. Everything else doesn't really matter. Yeah, this is after New York. Really, we're focused on what's gonna happen here, right? And still, it's just a read and react type of thing. Um, if we just look at dollar and where it's coming from, we do have a gap here that was left unfilled. So, could we fill that? Yeah, very possibly. Actually, we definitely will. Question is, are we going to continue bearish or are we going to reject and then continue up? And we can, right? We got a double bottom here that was divergent on the 4 hour. We broke the lower high. Now it's just a matter of making a higher low and then continuing up, which we have. I can draw now. Double bottom. We cleared this. We would expect this. Continue higher. So we'll see.
So dollar about to go. Do GU follow dollar? Sometimes it seems like they do, and sometimes it seems like they don't.
Yeah, sometimes it's kind of hmm. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. It's the people I'm on Zoom with, but do I think it will go to 137? Assuming you're talking about GU 137. Yeah, for sure. Um, Looking at the weekly, I've been talking about a huge dump off for GU um, since the start of January. Reason being, we left a big open void here that it has come to fill, right? And we're officially in there. Um, it's just a matter of when, right? So looking at H1 where 137 is, yeah, very possible. We have a weekly low here. Should be changed. This is the previous weekly low. Um, which yeah, I mean if we buck up here and make a double top on the really H4, because that's really where structure is being made. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have a load off down to 137. Even 135 in my opinion, because this was when interest rate decisions happened, right? If you guys remember, that was interest rates 2 weeks ago, which pushed you through the roof. Um, but yeah, it's just a matter of when. And even just looking at the H4, right, we're already divergent. Already we're divergent. So it's just a matter of I'd actually want to see it make a new high so that we can get that third push. So now we have three push divergence on the H4. Even better. Absolute snipe entry though. It's funny because I was playing Warzone as I was looking at the charts and I was like, hold on, something's sand up here. Um, and it sure damn did.
I be dang. Okay, let's see if it's
So yeah, 54 pips now. We definitely surpassed what we lost for the week. Um, 15 pips was the total loss within three trades that were taken. And it was regained with what we took at partials, 20 pips. So we're up for the week. That's good rebound. Like I said, I don't plan on closing this until it gives me a reason. Um, Actually, yesterday's high might be a good place to look. You guys can hear me? Or yo, Mosey, I think yesterday's high might be a tipping point. Yeah, we'll see. I might close a little bit more. Unless it Pat went short off yesterday's high. Very possible. Very possible you get a Pat one short. Just looking at where we are past the Asia range, you can expect 25 to 50 pips. So past Asia range. So right now we're way past 20, we're at 30. We can start to expect some turnaround. Come on. $60, I'll close more. I don't even know. I don't even know if I close more or just let it run. Because we surpassed yesterday's high. I think it's gonna give like a little pullback. I'd watch on shorts. I wouldn't take any shorts personally. Just with with the bears with the bullet pressure we have. Look at H1 double bottom. We cleared highs. Um, 15 straight bullish candles to the upside, and yeah, 5 minute pullback. It don't get caught in the shorts. I mean, if you do, that's on you, but I wouldn't. All right, more partials. We're taking a 60. Yeah, good London session. Absolute good London session. I mean, you had to be on the minute chart to really get like if you're a break and retest type of guy. Um, if you're a break and retest type of guy, um, the 1 minute was where it was, right? sorry for the numerous gray boxes, but we'll say this was the last lower high that had to be broken on the minute chart, which we broke and we retested. And then we even had a fib here. Spot on the 62 with a bullish engulfing. You know what I mean? And you honestly could have ripped it on the minute. Like here, spot on 62, engulfing, enter after the engulfing. Even there was a nice 32 pips handed on a silver platter. Did I catch it on the live? So it was at like 2:30 when I caught the play, and then I was like, let me start the live, just so people can kind of see the progression of the play. But nah, I did not catch it live. My intention was to get on at 3 a.m., but got on a little earlier because this thing started running. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay, yeah. Alright, just making sure. $61 pips. We cleared the red zone that I was expecting some type of reaction. And we cleared yesterday's high. See, this is the play. This is the play I've been waiting for all week. Buy or sell, but just a clean play. Like just a clean play. That's all I was asking for. And we got it. Finally. So cheers to that. Hope everybody on the session caught something as well, at least a piece or whatever pair you're trading. Because boys got to eat. We got to eat.
So I gotta get my ass up and just really just work it right. Take pictures.
Let's look at gold real quick. Wow. Gold gave a clean play as well. This is the minute chart, guys, by the way, but absolute banger. Absolute banger. 72 pips. Crazy. Yeah, right off H4. Right off H4. Beautiful. Five-minute really didn't give too much of a. Yeah, you got to retest an 8 and right at London session. Same thing. Same thing. But obviously, if you're waiting for price action, like red, yellow, green, or whatever, or pretty much just pin liquidity and a couple pin bars stepping down, like you didn't have a chance there unless you were on the minute chart. Clean price action. Dollar's still tanking. You like that? AU was rather, it was dirty to me. I didn't really like it. This whole mess here on the minute chart. At the time that I was on the charts, this could have been an opportunity. In this area with the inverse head and shoulders. Yeah, London. I don't really like how that looks. AU, EA still tanking for EA. I don't like that either. Pretty sideways. Like we still haven't broken out of Asia range at all. I think I might close full 60. It's either gonna make new highs or top out at 39. Cause like H1 it cleared all the lower highs. So I might set my TP at. Yeah, I'm gonna set my TP at 39. Whoa. Halfway at 90 pips. Stop loss at entry. It's just with the. Yeah, guys. Personally, with these type of entries, right? For me, I'm gonna try to get the most out of it because there's a less chance of it pulling all the way back here unless it's gonna reverse, right? If we're just looking at a fib placement, I mean, yeah, it could come to the 88, but with what I'm seeing here, especially this little gap that it made, I don't doubt it's gonna come down to the 88. Highly doubt it. What low? We're also super bullish on the daily chart. Oh yeah, this thing's making a high. I gotta go into 39. And guys, that's another reason why I have the said close 2/3 of GU at 39. For what? Buy or sell. But yeah, if you guys notice, I have one colored candles. Reason being, yeah, you're gonna see candles go up and down, but it definitely eases the mind, taking away color, right? You like, for instance, we're in a buy now, seeing red candles up here, on top of seeing price come down, it worries you. I know, at least for me, ever since I got rid of the color, um, and just made them all black, like, I don't even think about it. Price is price, you know what I mean? Um, and yeah, sniper entries like this at the wicks, like, it can pull back all at once. If it does, I mean, really, I would just be waiting for the break and retest to the downside. Take the short. $61 fib. Yo, Nokia is snapping. Y'all heard? Nokia is snapping. Uh, all right, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. We'll be back for New York to kind of just follow up and see what we get. I don't have any class today, so full day of trading. Obviously, I'm not gonna take. I don't plan on taking anything, especially after this. It'd be pointless to lose any money. Um, but yeah, for any of you guys that call anything, same goes for you, right? If you made money, leave it at that, right? Even if you caught break even for the week, leave it at that. Come back tomorrow. Um, there's really no point in giving the money back. Um, unless it's like to the T, picture perfect of what you want to see. Don't force nothing, right? If you see price coming down or up, sideways, whatever, and you've made money, do not give it back. Um, yeah, that's my little rant. So 67 pips. I got TP at 90. TP at 80. Um, partials taken at 20. Partials taken at 60. Completely covered the losses that were taken this week of 15 pips and blew it out the water. But yeah, I'll see you guys for New York session. Make sure you leave a like, share it, subscribe. Also, be sure to check out the description. Link to my Instagram accounts there. Links to both of my mentors and their academies are in there. That's how this was caught. But yeah, see you guys later. See you in New York. 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern time. We'll be live. All right.